Get you the big breaking news of the hour. The vice presidential elections will take place on the 9th of September. The nominations will start from the 7th of August. This is after the surprise resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar on the first day of the monsoon session, ostensibly over medical issues. But remember, it's been a huge controversy with the opposition alleging that there was a lot more that led to the resignation. But let's now focus on the next vice president. So the nominations will begin on the 7th of August. And it will go on till the 21st. Let's go across to Vasudha for more. And Vasudha, NDTV had reported yesterday how we are expecting the date soon, and the Election Commission has completed the preparation and finalized the electoral college list for the elections, which will now take place on the 9th of September. Let's go across to Vasudha. And Vasudha, give us more details. Finally, this nomination process will begin by the 7th of August.
That's right, Gargi. The vice president's post is specifically important because whoever becomes a vice president also is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, and which is why there are multiple responsibilities. What I understand is that now the dates have come out. The Election Commission, like you rightly pointed out, has finished all the preparations of setting up the Electoral College. And remember that the vice president is elected by the MPs of both houses. In fact, there is proportional representation. In fact, the MPs also get to choose preferences, and which is why they could go for their first, second and third preferences, which is why both sides will put up their candidates, is the understanding. NDA, of course, has the numbers. It doesn't have to worry about numbers, but clearly the optics and perception of it is very important. The kind of candidate that the NDA comes up with will be keenly watched because of the way, specifically, Jagdeep Dhankar, the former vice president, resigned, citing health reasons, but of course there were also reports of the going distance between him and the government. So clearly the candidate that the government comes up with will be an interesting choice, and he or she will be sort of selected by people with a lot of thought and considerations. We'll have to wait and see what kind of parameters does the NDA put into this kind of thought. Of course, the date is on 9th of September, and 21st of August, which is the last day of the monsoon session, is also the last day of filing nominations.
And Vasudha, surprisingly, it's going to be after the monsoon session is over. Earlier when we were reporting on this, it was thought that the government was keen to have it happen, in the session, so that they wouldn't require to, reconvene and, the expenditure as well. And also, given that according to the constitution, this position has to be filled at the soonest. So, surprising then that it's after the monsoon session ends?
That is right, Gargi. I was talking to people in the government, and they seem to be very keen on going ahead with a legislative agenda, which is why they've not really, have had this election. Of course, this is something that the ECI has decided. Also, depends on the kind of processes that have to be done before the election takes place. And more importantly, remember that from the 12th to the 18th, in fact, till the 20th, there are many holidays that come in. There's a break that both houses will see as well. So clearly, this decision has been taken considering all of that in mind, and of course the dates have come out now. 9 September is when the election will take place, and like you rightly pointed out, almost 20 days after the session gets over.
All right. Thanks so much, Vasudha, for joining us with that big breaking news. The vice presidential elections to take place on the 9th of September. NDTV bringing you that breaking news. This is after Jagdeep Dhankar's surprise resignation on the first day of the monsoon session. The new vice president, though, will get a complete term and not just the remainder of the term. So the elections will take place on the 9th, 7th August is when the nominations will begin.